to the bus one quiet day, greeted the driver, went on my way. A few empty seats stared back at me. No neck down folks, just a kind old granny. She gave a smile so warm and sweet, a gentle welcome, soft and complete. 7 or 8 stops we passed on through, not a single head rose into view. Isolated souls with screens in hand, thumbs up and down on demand. Millions of swipes, a digital trance, trapped in a never-ending dance. Oh, neck down world, where have you gone? The sky still sings, the birds hum along, but your eyes are closed, your heart's turned cold, trading life's magic for stories retold. Oh, neck down world, can't you see? You're missing the beauty right next to you. The bus rolled through a tunnel of trees where the wind whispered and danced with ease. Birds were singing their morning tune, bathed in gold by the light of June. But not a soul heard the nature's art, with earbuds sealing every heart. The grandma and I, we shared that space in silence yet full of grace. We saw the forest, felt the peace in this loud world, a rare release. Oh, neck down world, where have you gone? The breeze still speaks, the day rolls on, but your ears are full, your spirit's chained by glowing screens that keep you drained. Oh, neck down world, wake up and see the joy that lives beyond the screen. Poor smart skeletons, blind and deaf, the world's in your hand but you've nothing left. Peace and joy so far from your view, while the real world whispers, waiting for you.